Insane blizzard shuts down New York and Boston February 23, 2026. The governors of New York and Massachusetts have deployed their National Guard as a massive winter storm hits the East Coast. The nor'easter, which is expected to bring blizzard conditions and coastal flooding across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast into Monday, has already left more than 70,000 people without power. New York Governor Kathy Hochul and Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey have even deployed their state's National Guard to be ready to respond to storm damage as they urge residents to stay off the streets.